Hello, Miss Ruby.
Hello,
Good evening.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Miss Ruby. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, do you hear any background noise? Do you hear any noise? Noise? It's okay.
hello. Uh,
It's okay. Do
Yes,
you hear do you
yes,
hear me?
yes, I have.
Okay. How are you today, Miss Ruby?
I'm good.
You're good. So
Uh,
now let's start our lesson. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So today we will talk about home. Hmm. Okay, for a
Home,
while. Home.
home,
So have it here. Share my screen. Okay, this one. Home.
home, home.
Yes. A home is a place where you have where you are with your family, with your husband, and with your children and a wife. That is a home. A home. It is you live. It is the place where you live together. So now, Miss Ruby, today you're gonna learn some words. We have Group A and Group B. So this word starts with the same letter. Actually, my voice is a little bit shattering today because Teacher Rose is not feeling good. Like I have a cough today. That's why my voice like
T.
uh can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, T.
Okay. T. In group B, it's
Toy, toy.
toy. Okay, Miss Ruby, do you love to drink tea?
Oh, I don't like.
You don't like it. Okay.
I like milk tea.
You like milk tea. Oh, me too. I like milk tea too. What's your flavor? What's your favorite flavor of milk tea? Do you like cookies and cream?
uh,
Milk tea. What's the flavor of milk tea? Flavor. Is it chocolate milk
chocolate.
tea?
Milk
Ah,
tea,
you
green tea đúng không? Green tea.
okay. So now this time the next letter is next
B.
word is B. Yes. And this one is
Boy.
boy. Okay, so I think you know it already. And we also have this one. It's
C.
E, correct. And this one,
Soy.
soy. Yes. And this animal, sea animal, what is
Mm.
this? This is eel.
Eh,
Eel.
ear.
Okay. This one, if you read two the same letters, two E, it sounds like E. It's hard E. Eel. It's
Ear.
eel. Yes.
Ear.
This one, this is
Eye.
oil. Yes. And
Feel.
feel. Yes. That's
Foil.
a foil. Okay. So sometimes we feel happy, scared, mad, angry, like that. Do you have any questions with these words? Do you have a question, Miss Ruby? No. Okay. So I think these words today are very easy. These are all very easy. So let's move forward. Let's continue here. Okay. Let's move. Oh, we can just Do unclick the picture. Okay. So now let's continue to exercise 2. This time, in the house, there are different rooms and
Plate.
places.
I said.
Yes. How many rooms in your house, Miss Roby?
There are 8 rooms in my house.
Oh, your house is very big.
Oh, no. My medium size.
Because you said that your house has 8 rooms?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's so big, Miss Roby. Okay, and um, this part of the house, this is?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Kitchen. So,
Kitchen.
do you have a big kitchen in your house?
Really big. Not really big.
Not really big. Ah, so who sometimes cook for your family? Who will cook?
My husband often cook.
Okay, wow. Wow, you're so lucky. I think your husband is really a good cook. Okay. Next, how about this?
Living room.
Living room.
Yeah. So I think your living room is very big also.
Mm.
Do you know a living room, the part of your house?
Yes, I know.
Okay, you know it. And this one,
Bedroom.
bedroom. Okay.
Bedroom.
So you have 8. How many bedrooms do you have? 8?
3 bedroom.
You have 3 bedrooms. Now this is,
Dining room.
yes, dining room. What is a dining room, Miss Ruby?
Uh,
Do you know?
yes. Dining room and kitchen.
Okay. Dining room, it is the place where you eat. Yes, it is the place where you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner with your family. Okay, that is a dining room. How about living room? What is a living room, Miss Ruby? Can you tell me?
Living room.
What is a living room?
My family usually watching TV.
Yes, very good. It is the place where you watch TV. Okay, that's correct, Miss Ruby. Now, this one,
Balcony.
balcony. Yes. Do you
Balcony.
have a balcony in your house?
Balcony.
Yes. Okay, what is a balcony, Miss Ruby? This is like a balcony in the house. This part.
Flower.
Yes. It is where
Balcony
you.
have flower.
Yes, it has flowers. Do you have many flowers in your house?
How? No many.
Not many. But do you have plants? Do you like plants? Plants and flowers. Do you like it, Miss Ruby?
Flower.
Flowers. This one. Plants. Plants and flowers. Do you like plants and flowers?
Flower. I like flowers.
You like flowers. Okay. Next to balcony is this one.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yes. How many bathroom do you have in your house?
My house have two bathroom.
Your house has 2 bathrooms. Okay. Wow. How about this?
Hallway.
Hallway.
Hallway. Yes. Do you have a hallway?
Uh,
A hallway is like this in the picture. This one. This is an area. It is the place where you can walk. This part. Hallway. Okay. A hallway is actually a long floor, a long room with doors leading into the other rooms, usually the bedrooms. So this part is actually the way going to the other room. That's a hallway. Okay, next, Miss Ruby, is what's this?
office.
Office. Yes.
Office.
So an office. Do you have office in your room? In your house?
No.
No. Okay. But some
Company.
in your company only. Yes. There are some houses who have their own office inside the house. Like it's a room in a house where you are working, or it is a room in the house where the children are studying. Mm.
Mm.
Or it could be in the office, in the company. Okay, so now Miss Ruby, let's go back here. Okay, so which rooms and places you have in your home? Can you tell me, Miss Ruby, what are the places that you have in your room, in your house? You have
Awesome in my house.
you have
Yeah,
ki-
a living room,
living
uh,
room,
a kitchen,
kitchen,
a 3 bedroom,
3 bedrooms,
two bathroom,
2 bathrooms.
study study room.
Ah, you also have a study room. This one. It's like it's like an office inside the house. This is your study room.
The same office and study the same.
Yes, yes. Okay, this one. Look, the meaning of office here, it is a room in the house where you work or you study.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's a study room.
Office.
Mm. Okay, wow, that's good. So you know what? Teacher, I will explain my house. My house has only we have 2 bedrooms. We have a kitchen and living room and one bathroom because our house is just small. It's not big. Okay. So now, Miss Ruby, um, this is very good. You already tell the parts of your house. Now this time, let's talk about
I don't
these.
balcony.
Ah, you you don't have balcony? Do you have a
Uh,
balcony?
có
No.
yes. Có. Don't.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, I have.
Ah, okay. All right. And also a balcony. Mm. Okay. So now, Miss Ruby, um, these are adjectives. The adjectives are the words that describes something. Okay, adjectives. Do you know adjectives in Vietnam?
I,
Adjectives in Vietnam.
I
English to Vietnam. Adjectives. It's
Tính từ.
tính từ. Okay. So this one, adjectives, words that describes the something. It describes a person, it describes the house, it describes the things, the places, and the animals. Example, number 1. What's this?
Comfortable.
This is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes. Are you comfortable in your place right now, Miss Ruby?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Uh,
great.
Comfortable and cozy. Cozy.
Cozy. Okay, like that. Yes. It provides you comfort and relax. You're relaxed.
Relax.
Yes. You're relaxed. Are you in the study room today?
Yes.
I see. So where are your children?
My children play
They are playing.
a living room.
Oh, I see. Okay. Wow, that's good. That's good, Miss Ruby. Now, next word is this one. Opposite is,
Uncomfortable.
Un,
please read.
Uncomfortable.
Yes, uncomfortable. Okay, so this means that you feel not relaxed and not happy. Okay, that's uncomfortable. Okay, you can take notes. You can write some words. Next word is this one.
Expensive.
Expensive. Okay. So, expensive are the things that costing
Expensive.
a lot
Expensive.
of, not cheap. Yeah, not cheap.
Cheap, no, cheap.
Yes, not cheap. Wow, very good. So next is
Modern.
modern. Okay, modern, different, opposite from traditional. Like modern is new, something new techniques, new ideas. Those are modern. Modern is the opposite of what's this?
Old fashioned.
Yes. Do you know old fashioned, Miss Ruby?
Yeah, yes, I know.
Okay. Next is
Small.
small. Next is
Light.
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 Okay. Next is
Dark.
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 Dark. Okay. Dark is
Dark.
having no light. Like it's totally dark. Okay. Can you tell me what are the words that you do not know? Do you know all these words?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Mm, Since you know all these words, this time, can you tell me what are the positive words? When you say positive words, what are the good words?
Good. Comfortable.
Comfortable,
Expensive.
expensive,
Modern.
modern,
Light.
light. Okay. How about negative?
Uncomfortable.
Comfortable,
Old fashioned.
old-fashioned,
Small.
small, and
Dark.
dark. Yes, small and dark. Okay, so very good, Miss Ruby. We have positive and negative words. So can you say comfortable? You'll say comfortable, expensive, modern, and light are positive. Okay, can you do it, Miss Ruby? What are the positive words? What
I
are
don't.
the positive words? Can you complete your answer? Say, you will say
Light.
the positive words are
Positive.
comfortable,
Comfortable. Expensive.
yes, expensive,
Modern.
modern,
light,
Light.
uh,
Okay.
giờ nãy can see.
And light. Okay, so these are the positive words. Very good, Miss Ruby. Now, is this lesson okay? We will continue, and I have some questions later after after the
Okay.
Zoom will start. Okay, we'll end the Zoom.